Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another brand new video. Today I want to show you how to use Google Lens. Why I use Google Lens? When we want to copy anything like image, like PDF, like anything, you can copy easily. So today I want to show this how to work Google Lens. So go to my PC and see how to work. Welcome to my computer screen. Everybody know I want to talk about the Google Lens. So you can see the Google Lens. Here is. What can I do using Google Lens? Mainly I already done a project where use this lens. First of all, we can copy anything using Google Lens. How? See, there is a lots of logo. It's a logo, it's a logo, it's a logo. So I want to copy this. You can see here is the link, but I want to copy this. When you don't find any option, how to copy this? See this, how to copy and search this company. Right click here and search image with Google. Then you can see select a image area. I select this area and search this. You can see the right side here is already Google Lens search this. And if I want to copy this text, how? Go to text and select this option. Here you can copy this. Copy and paste. If I see another one, you can see this. How again do this? Right click and search Google. Select this area and search. Then go to the text. Then double click. Look, copy this and paste this. It's the easy way. If I want to copy PDF, how to work? Go to the PDF folder. Here you can see a lot of PDF. So I am to copy this. For this, I open this in the Google Chrome browser. I select this and drop this in the Google browser. How to copy this using Google Lens? Right button and search in Google. I want to copy this option, this text. Just select this and tap this text and double click here. You can see everything is copied. Just copy and paste this. Just simple. If I want to another portion I want to copy. So look, I want to copy this portion. Right click and search image. Select this area, carefully mark and tap. Google Lens automatically read this and go to the text section and select this. Copy this. Here you can see everything. I copy this. Everything is written here. So that's the good use of Google Lens. When we work in any data entry work, it's so helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.